3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If your Instagram account has been disabled and you're looking to recover it, this guide will walk you through the process. To begin, open a web browser and search for accessing and downloading your Instagram information. Select the result titled the same and navigate to the section where you can describe your issue. Choose data access and then specify that you have an account but cannot access your data. Fill out the form with your full name, Instagram username, country of residence, and an accessible email address. This email will be used by Instagram to contact you, so ensure it's active. Agree to the terms, submit the form, and enter the verification code sent to your email. After entering the code, complete the security check. If the check does not load, use a VPN to bypass the issue. Submit the form and you'll receive an automated email from Instagram. Reply to this email using a pre-drafted template, ensuring you update the relevant sections like your username, full name, and contact information. If the response doesn't resolve your issue, persist by repeating the method twice daily until you receive a positive reply. This method may require patience, but consistency often yields results.